Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, your go-to channel for all things travel. Today, we're hopping over to Boston, a city known for its rich history and vibrant culture. Let's dive into the Boston Tea Party, a significant event that unfolded in 1773. This was no ordinary tea party. It was a bold act of defiance against the British Crown and a pivotal moment in American history. Colonists, outraged by the Tea Act, boarded 3 ships in Boston Harbor and dumped 342 chests of tea into the sea. This audacious act sparked the flame of the American Revolution and forever marked Boston as a city of changemakers and freedom fighters. Today, the spirit of the Boston Tea Party lives on, shaping the city's identity and reminding us of the power of collective action. The Boston Tea Party, a symbol of defiance and a catalyst for change, is just one of the many historical events that make Boston unique. Next, we explore the Freedom Trail, a 2.5-mile-long path that passes by 16 locations significant to the history of the United States. This red brick road starts at Boston Common and ends at the Bunker Hill Monument. Along the way, we encounter the Massachusetts State House, a grand spectacle of federal architecture and the seat of government for the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. Further along, we find Paul Revere's house, the oldest standing structure in downtown Boston, which was home to the famous patriot during the American Revolution. Our journey continues to the Old North Church, a historic masterpiece known for its "one if by land, two if by sea" signal, which warned patriots of the British Army's route during Paul Revere's midnight ride. Each step on the Freedom Trail is a step back in time, bringing us closer to understanding the spirit that shaped America. The Freedom Trail is a journey through time, a testament to Boston's pivotal role in American history. No trip to Boston would be complete without a visit to Fenway Park, home of the beloved Boston Red Sox. In the heart of Beantown, Fenway Park pulses with the spirit of baseball, a sport deeply woven into the fabric of this city. Since its inauguration over a century ago in 1912, Fenway has been a silent witness to countless exhilarating victories, heart-rending losses, and the unwavering devotion of the Red Sox nation. The Green Monster, Fenway's towering left-field wall, is an iconic symbol of this ballpark's unique character. Stories of legendary players like Babe Ruth, Ted Williams, and Carl Yastrzemski echo within its walls, adding to the rich tapestry of Fenway's history. Indeed, the Red Sox are more than just a baseball team in Boston. They're a way of life. The city pulses with a collective heartbeat during games, a testament to the deep-rooted passion of its fans. Whether you're a sports enthusiast or not, the energy at Fenway Park is a quintessential Boston experience. Now let's dive into the intellectual heart of Boston, the renowned universities of Harvard and MIT. As we travel deeper into Boston, we stumble upon the illustrious Harvard University. Established in the early 17th century, Harvard is the oldest institution of higher learning in the United States. Its hallowed halls have nurtured countless innovators, leaders, and thinkers who've left indelible marks on our world. Not far from Harvard, we find the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, or MIT. Founded in the mid-19th century, MIT has been a beacon of technological innovation, producing 88 Nobel laureates and countless technological breakthroughs. Both Harvard and MIT have shaped Boston's culture, making it a vibrant hub of intellectual pursuit. Their influence seeps into the city's cafes, bookstores, and public spaces, creating an atmosphere where knowledge and innovation thrive. Harvard and MIT, two of the world's greatest institutions, are a testament to Boston's intellectual vigor. Next stop, the USS Constitution, the oldest commissioned warship afloat in the world. This naval gem, also known as Old Ironsides, is steeped in a rich history that dates back to the late 18th century. Launched in 1797, the USS Constitution's claim to fame came during the War of 1812, when it sturdily deflected British cannon fire, earning its enduring nickname. During its illustrious career, the USS Constitution was never defeated in battle, a testament to the ingenuity and strength of American naval design and craftsmanship. Today, this iconic ship has been transformed into a floating museum, offering a glimpse into the past and celebrating the maritime heritage of the United States. Docked at the Charlestown Navy Yard, it's not just a relic of a bygone era, but a living, breathing testament to America's naval prowess. Whether you're a history buff or simply curious, a visit to Old Ironsides is a voyage into the heart of American history. The USS Constitution, a symbol of America's naval strength, stands proudly in Boston's harbor. Let's venture to the Boston Harbor, a natural harbor and estuary of Massachusetts Bay. This vital waterway has been at the heart of Boston's history since its founding. It's where the infamous Boston Tea Party took place, igniting the spark of revolution that would forever change the course of American history. In the centuries that followed, the harbor transformed from a bustling colonial port to a neglected industrial waterfront, and then to the vibrant cultural and recreational hub it is today. It's now teeming with life, offering a plethora of activities for locals and visitors alike. Take a leisurely stroll along the Harbor Walk, a public walkway that winds around the water's edge, offering stunning views of the city skyline. Or hop aboard one of the many harbor cruises for a unique perspective of Boston from the water. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or an urban explorer, there's something for everyone at Boston Harbor. From history to recreation, the Boston Harbor offers a blend of past and present. For a breath of fresh air, we turn to Boston Common, the oldest city park in the United States. Founded in 1634, this 50-acre green space has been the heart of Boston for nearly 4 centuries. From grazing cows in its early days to hosting public hangings during the 18th century, the Common has seen its share of history. But don't let its age fool you. Today, Boston Common is a vibrant hub for the community. It's a stage for free Shakespearean plays, a winter wonderland with Frog Pond turned into an ice skating rink, and a gathering place for various festivals and events. It's where Bostonians come to picnic, play, and protest. The park also serves as the starting point of the Freedom Trail, a 2.5-mile-long path that takes you through 16 historical sites. Boston Common, a green oasis in the heart of the city, offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle. Next, we explore Beacon Hill and the North End, 2 of Boston's most historic neighborhoods. Beacon Hill, with its cobblestone streets and Federal-style row houses, is an architectural treasure. It's known for its iconic gas-lit street lamps, a quaint reminder of a time gone by. Across town, the North End, Boston's oldest residential community, is a blend of old-world charm and modern vibrancy. Here, the aroma of fresh Italian cuisine wafts through the air as the sounds of conversation echo from its numerous cafes and bakeries. These neighborhoods bear witness to significant periods in American history. Beacon Hill was the center of Boston's 19th-century African-American community, while the North End was a first home to waves of immigrants, particularly Italians. They're living museums where every brick and cobblestone tells a story. From Paul Revere's house in the North End to the Massachusetts State House in Beacon Hill, the cultural significance of these neighborhoods is undeniable. Beacon Hill and the North End, with their charming streets and rich history, are quintessential Boston. Now let's indulge in Boston's culinary scene, starting with its famous clam chowder. As we dive into the rich, creamy world of this iconic soup, we find that it's more than just a dish, it's a tradition. Clam chowder's roots stretch back to the early settlers, who combined local clams and potatoes with milk or cream to create a hearty and satisfying meal. Over the centuries, this humble soup has evolved into a culinary hallmark of New England, and Boston, in particular, is renowned for its distinctive take on the recipe. Thick, creamy, brimming with tender clams, diced potatoes, and a touch of smoky bacon, Boston's clam chowder is a symphony of flavors that warms the soul. From the bustling stalls of Quincy Market to the quaint seafood shacks dotting the city's harbor, you'll find clam chowder served with pride and passion. So, whether you're a foodie or just a curious traveler, a bowl of hearty clam chowder is a must-try when in Boston. Last but not least, we celebrate the Boston Marathon, an annual marathon hosted by the city. Dating back to the late 19th century, this race is one of the oldest and most prestigious marathons in the world. It's held every third Monday in April, known as Patriots' Day, a day that commemorates the first battles of the American Revolutionary War. The Boston Marathon is more than just a race, it's a citywide celebration. It brings together runners from all over the world, united by their love for the sport and their determination to test their limits. But it's not just about the runners. The city's residents come out in full force too, lining the streets to cheer on the participants, fostering an incredible sense of community spirit. The marathon route weaves through 8 Massachusetts towns, offering a unique tour of the state's history and culture. The Boston Marathon, a symbol of endurance and community spirit, perfectly captures the heart of this incredible city. Don't forget to subscribe and visit our website travelingkangaroo.com for more travel inspiration.